in this case study video, we are going to see how prompt engineering can be, that means how the prompts can be enhanced to get the approximate or exact output what we need. We can see that while studying or any doubt we will ask to the LLMs, we give some sentences. The output may be up to our expectation and may not be up to our expectation. It can be resolved using this prompt engineering. Okay, we can get our desired output by giving the exact prompt, so that the model is trained in such a way that if I ask what is apple, it will give the answer for what is apple. Okay, so the question should be asked in such a way, prompt should be given in such a way that we have to get the output exactly what we require. Okay, how we are going to solve this problem?
So now let's briefly see about what's prompt engineering. Actually, as Matt said, the prompt engineering is we are giving a prompt to the artificial intelligence tool like ChatGPT so that we can get the desired answers. But some students may don't know to give an exact prompt. So plus means in prompt engineering there are things like simple short, few short, and chain of facts. So that in simple short we don't give the examples, and in few short we will give the example to train the model and give the exact answer. And in chain of that it will give the step-by-step answers. So these are don't know for students. So they will not get the exact desired answers. So that let's in this case study let's see about its real world application challenges and benefits of prompt engineering.
So let's see about the real problem statement and with the example. So for example, in a college or in a school, if the teacher is assigning an assignment or asked to do any projects related on a particular topic, the student used to search on ChatGPT or any other agent. So they used to do like give me a code or on that topic, give me a specific content. Just they will give a prompt like normal conversation, but the LLM will understand, but it may not be that much accurate. So we need to give the prompt accurately that you can easily identify. So in that LLM, it will identify based upon the next line identification method. So if you are doing a word like write a code on, for example, any other code, purpose of code. So it will generate for simple reason, basic structure of code. But we need to define how the code, what reason the code used to be, what technologies and what are the tools we need to use in that code. We need to mention it precisely. So based upon that only, the problem statement and giving prompt should be more defined.
Okay, so let us see how an ideal prompt should be. Example, if we see, suppose we type explain Python. So AI is a machine only, right? So it may assume the question as variety of ways, like should I write the code, should I explain it theoretically, and etc. etc. It may assume the question, but if instead we explain the question deeply, like we tell exactly what to do, like write the code or explain the basics of Python or the syntax of Python code or like that, then we may get the more expected output and the generated output will be more good. So an ideal prompt should contain tone like professional, friendly, or suspect, and role like assume yourself as an experienced Python developer or experienced teacher in Python domain or like that, and then sample input like generate the output like this and the expected output. So if we add all this to the prompt, and the AI trains itself with our data and generates a more expected and more better output. So we can get the output as a more higher extent like we are expecting. So an ideal prompt makes the output more better.
Okay. Since AI creating an revolution in our daily life, students like professionals, business professionals, or many of the people are using an AI to create their daily contents, codings, and also the directors also using the AI to generate scripts. So providing a simple prompt, we can generate a huge answers from the AI from the existing databases in the history database. But the major fact is it has major advantages like it can generate any kind of contents, images, videos, and also we can get what we are expecting and also get ideas for many complex problem statements. But since there are some disadvantages, the user need to give prompt in an structured manner. So first before getting an expected output, the user needs to learn about how he need to structure the prompt. It was a major disadvantage in the prompting in AI, and also by providing an unstructured prompt or by using a different words that AI can't understand, can generate an unstructured output like user will not get what they are expecting.
As an overall conclusion, so prompt engineering, which is very most important in this today's world. So as all have been said, so prompt should be most clear and what the exact it should be. So if we give the prompt, but we can be rectified on the 2 or 3 steps. But we should be clear at the first stage as a simple and short and clear to the ChatGPT or OpenAI. So as a overall case study, it should be most quality of the AI answer depends on the quality of the prompt who have been given. So, and as artificial intelligence continue to grow in the future, so knowing how to write effective prompts is most important.
Okay, as we all said that the outcome is entirely based on what prompt we give. Okay, if I want to get an answer, LLM gives you the answer what you expect, but only thing is you have to ask the question in such a way, you have to give the prompt in such a way that it should understand what you are expecting. Okay, if I want to get an answer that which I need, like if I'm an 8-year-old kid, I want to learn programming. So that what should I do is I should ask the LLM to teach me Python programming to a 8-year-old kid, so that he should understand all the concept with a deep understanding. Okay, this is the prompt which I should give to the LLM. So it will generate the examples and it will generate the teaching method accordingly, so that that particular 8-year-old kid can learn that programming very easily. Okay, this is the concept. What prompt we are giving is the answer we are getting from the LLM. It is fully based on the prompt.